How about we balloon this way so that way the camera can see it?
Okay. You realize there's more stuff to lose it in now.
It's trending. Okay, after we let him go, we're going to have to bend him so the camera can see it. I'm ready. My bow. Okay, ready? Good. Go with it. And go. I told you we would. I can blow big bubbles with my bubble gum. Coolest bubble gum ever.
Ready?
Ready, Freddy? That way I'll
Go!
go.
What?
They might have still went under there. Oh, if you're wondering why I'm wearing a dress, we're gonna get married. Right.
I'm a nun.
Right, dear.
Yes, I'm a nun.
And soon, one of us will be a widow.
That'd be you. I mean, that'd be me.
Both of us.
A widow is when their husband or wife dies. I mean, their husband dies. Oh my god. Good job.
We can hear you in there.
Good job, lady.
How about we give them a little surprise?
I keep seeing the picture of you falling.
Too bad the camera didn't get it. Okay, then we're going to turn off the fan in the living room and show our audience, our parents as well as... I heard that, young lady. Okay, everybody. An inside look. Try this at home. We gotta wait till the fan slows down. So watch 2.5 Men while you're waiting.
So how you doing?
Good.
With the morning sickness?
Yes,
By my calculations, probably about a week, 10 days ago.
that sounds right.
Good, good. You have a nice break till the old time.
Okay, it's good enough. Okay, ready? You may want to hold on to your drinks. Because here comes balloons, okay?
Go.
We did not have sex.
Mine went jumped over the table. It jumped over the table.
An exclusive look.
At the life of us. We're twins. Can't you see the resemblance? Why don't you show them yourself?
He doesn't want to see the nurse.
Can't you see the resemblance? Buddy, where'd your balloon go?
Somewhere over there.
You want to kill me?
I know it. Don't. Then I'll now I'm doing the play there.
First you trip over the milk. Stop. Oh, I see it.
Let's find it and then go. I guess we'll just go. Say bye, buddy.
Bye, buddy.
Not you.
Goodbye. Sit down. I'm going to bed momentarily.
Those are some pretty big nerds. It's not fuzzy. It's not that fuzzy anymore when you blow it up.
Back up, buddy. There we go.
It's our birthday.
Maybe
Let's release it at the same time.
maybe it'll fly around the camera.
Hurry, let's release it at the same time. On go. Ready, go. Buddy, I'm not drinking. Oh, yeah. Where'd it go? Is it up there? Is it went up there, buddy? Is it up there? Is it up there? Is it? I don't think so.
Well, how about we put this up here and then we look.
Okay.
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 We're gonna look now.
Okay.
Wait. Oh.